See me when I'm all tired.
Welcome back, subbies, and if you're new here, hey friend. Today I'm going to be showing you all how I apply and style this T-part wig. And I also want to give a special thanks to UNice Wigs for sponsoring this video. So if you're interested in this look, then continue watching. But before we get into the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that way you can see when I post videos. So of course, when you get a UNice wig, it comes in this box. And let's see what we got. So the gifts await us. So in this box, not only does the wig come in, which I've already taken the wig out because I like to wash my wigs before I wear them. That's just a very good habit of mine. What also comes in this box besides the wig is a wig cap, which I already have one on, and a bag full of goodies. So in this bag, we have some more UNice Bad Bish lashes. Absolutely love these lashes. Very over the top, but they cute. And then we also have a headband. And this is a really cute headband. And last but not least, the star of the show, the wig. So this is the wig after I washed and dried it. I did let it air dry, but it was still a little damp when I got up this morning. So I basically put the dryer on low setting and dried it that way, as well as combed it out. Very long unit, like super duper long. And I love the brown highlights in this unit. So freaking cute. So this wig only has one part. That's right, you can only do a middle part. It has a lace at the front of the wig. And it also comes with some combs. So this is what the T-part looks like, guys. And I remember watching some older UNice T-part wig videos, and they used to have the fake scalp over this, but they've decided to do without that, I see, because mine didn't come with one of those, because I was thinking, okay, I might have to cut that off, but it didn't come with that, which is great. And it also comes with these combs here. It has two combs. And then it has a comb at the very back. So not only does it have the combs, but it also has the adjustable straps, as you can see. So you can adjust it from either side. So this side here and this side here. I freaking love the color of this. So as you can see, I've already prepped my wig cap. I put some makeup on it, some powdered makeup to kind of match my skin. Might need a little bit more from what I can see. I'm gonna just put a little bit more to be on the safe side because I don't really do these wigs too often. For all of you that know me and that watch my channel, I generally do like headband wigs or U-part wigs. Like basically the wigs that I can keep my edges out, my hair out. But it's about time I branch off and do something different. And this is a great wig to begin with when you're trying to get into more lace wigs, whether it be lace closures or lace frontals. The T-part wig is perfect because it has minimal lace. So you don't have to go too crazy with baby hairs. Shoot, I barely even know how to do baby hairs. So we're gonna do what it do. So I'm going to apply So as you can see, this wig fits really nice. It's very nice and snug. I don't know about y'all, but I use the combs in my wigs because look, I am all about securing this wig all 2021, okay? Like, I am not about to play with y'all. And not only do I use the combs, but I'm gonna use the Got to Be Glued spray, as you'll see in a second. So, but I don't always like to depend on glue because where I live, the temperatures get really hot and it gets really humid. And yeah, lace will lift in a second. I guess that's another reason why I've always shied away from the lace. But today we're doing something different. Okay, so now that we have our lace laying, I'm gonna go ahead and lay our part as well as our edges of the wig. So I'm gonna make sure that this part is straight because it looks pretty straight. And I am so glad I added that powdered foundation to my wig cap because it definitely blends in really well with my skin, as you can see. And later, if I want, let's say, a broader looking scalp, I can always just add some concealer like they do. So right now, I am waiting for our hot comb to get hot. I got this hot comb from the beauty supply. Retails for $14.99. They also had the old school hot combs that people used to put on the stove for like $2 cheaper. And I'm like, I'm good. Like, I'm good. I have an electric stove anyway. Not sure whether that will work or not, but no, I'm good. I'll just plug this hot comb up and do what I have to do. So what you just see me do is add a little bit of heat protectant to my hands because I like to make sure that I protect these wigs from heat also. And this is the heat protectant that I use. Okay, and I'm also going to use this hair wax stick. So this is the Extra Firm Hold hair wax stick that I got from a beauty supply. Let me see if you can see it. And you just basically push it up like so. And from what I've seen other people do, you just rub it here. And then you also rub it here. So that way you can really get that sleek look. This stuff smells really good, like coconut. Well, it is coconut flavor, but it smells really good. And then you just take your hot comb and be very careful because this thing is hot. Look at the difference, y'all. Look at the difference when I did that. That truly made a difference. Okay, so now that we've laid our part to make sure that everything is flat, we are going to go ahead and restore these waves. So I'm going to go ahead and wand curl this hair. We've already added our heat protectant, so there's nothing stopping us. And that's the kind of wave I'm looking for. So do that. Whatever you just see me do that.
I'm addicted, I know that she got me. Oh, I love it, the way you clap back when you move. Ain't nobody in here with that body, nobody but you. You, yeah, yeah. You, yeah, yeah. Ain't nobody in here with that body, nobody but you. You, yeah, yeah. You, yeah, yeah. Ain't nobody in here with that body, nobody but you. Make your life straight. I know you've been twerking since past 8. Falling on the bitch like a fast break. As long as I can see you bounce to that, baby. I only wanna roll into the telly. Promise I'ma lay a long time. You motivate a nigga like Kelly. We should get the rolling one time. DJ played that song and then she danced for me. I do it up and she go down, that's how it's supposed to be. Don't let go of my eyes, girl, you got 'em on cruise control. Your face, your waist, no brakes. Just take away, take away, take away. She taking the clothes off, I feel right in love with her body. I'm a typical goddamn, I'm addicted, I know that she got me. Oh, I love it, the way you clap back when you move. Ain't nobody in here with that body, nobody but you. You, yeah, yeah. You, yeah, yeah. Ain't nobody in here with that body, nobody but you. You, yeah, yeah. You, yeah, yeah. Ain't nobody in here with that body, nobody but you. Change clothes, it's a new scene. Every time you know you make a movie.
Okay, so it looks like we are all done with our one curls. So much body, y'all. So much body. So now it's time for the reveal. So let's see how badly I messed this up. All right, guys, so this is the final look. I had to touch up my lace a little bit more because it was not melting the way it was supposed to, not to mention the flakiness that came from all of that got to be glued spray that I sprayed. But look at me now. So I went ahead and combed out some more of the curls from me wand curling it. So guys, this is the final product. Simple and effortless. I wanted to stand up and kind of show you all what I'm working with as far as like the length of the hair, and all of that information will be in the description box. But guys, like, look at this. Like, this is the perfect length. This was like perfect for anyone who is thinking about doing a wig and that needs something beginner friendly. This is totally it. Let me know what you think down in the comments. And also, for those of you who aren't subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that way you can see when I post videos. Also, I also want to give a special thanks to UNice for sponsoring this video. All of the links will be linked down below. Until next time, peace.